Today I'm trying a Slavic makeup look. I've been seeing this style a lot on Instagram, so I wanted to try it out myself and see how it's turned out. So our first step is skin prep. I'm not using any other skin products because I am not going in outside. That's the reason. Anyways, firstly, next step is color correcting. I'm using a red lipstick to my under eyes and blending with a brush. And yeah, guys, my cold didn't go out. That is why my voice is like this. Anyways, then I'm using a foundation, the mix of Mars and Blue Heaven. Today, taking so many drops of foundations like this two kind of mix because I want a full coverage. Even though I didn't get this that much because I used three drops on Blue Heaven, only two drops on Mars foundation. Blue Heaven is not that fully coverage. Anyways, this is how it's turned out, and I'm blending with the beautiful puff. I already reviewed the product. I really do like it. I'm using a foundation same as my face shade. Like, yes, you can see this is how I do it. I always do like this. Under my eyes, nose, side of my nose, and nose bridge, and tip of a nose, forehead, chin, and the cheeks everywhere, and blending with the puff. I already told you I reviewed this puff before. You can check it out. Now I'm using a very light shade concealer. As you can see, this is how I apply it because I want that side, that areas would be pop up even more. You can see the difference after I apply it and not applying before. I'm also applying that concealer side of my lips because I want to do a Korean lipstick today. Lip today. That is why now I'm using. Now I am moving to contouring, a powder contouring. I see this technique from a girl, Anya or something on YouTube. I just do watch people's videos, tutorials. That is how I discovered this technique. Now I'm applying a random concealer on my eyebrows because I want to lighten my eyebrows. You may know, right? Now I am applying a compact powder, a little bit of from Blue Heaven. I didn't let you see the product. Anyways, I'm combing my eyebrows and filling with the dark, I think dark or brown, yeah, dark mix of eyeshadows and filling it really well. Anyways, this is how I do my eyebrows today. And yeah, I kind of like this look because it's really different from what I usually do. Yeah, I always do something new. Anyways, now I'm contouring my nose like a light brown shade. It's kind not brown and but yeah, a light shade, like not my, yeah, I think it's bronzer, sorry. Yeah, bronzer. And this is how I'm contouring my nose. Now I am highlighting my face with the white compact powder. It's from Dazzler. I see this girl. I already told you, Anya. I see her video. She uses a highlighter, a matte highlighter. I don't have that. I search it everywhere, but I can't find it. So that's why I'm using a Dazzler white, really white combat powder. It's not my correct shade. That's why I'm using it's for highlighting my face. I'm highlighting my high point of my faces like nose, cheek, nose, and the side of my eyes and the side of my nose everywhere. And I didn't believe because in firstly I used it, I thought it didn't match for the look. Anyways, I'm using a warm shade eyeshadow like a light brown color. Yeah, this is how I do my. I'm not today. I'm not really doing a heavy eye look. Eyeshadow. Okay, I'm only using a warm tone eyeshadows today. Now I'm using. I'm moving on to blush. Next step is eyeliner. Eyes. It's really kind of hard today because I'm drawing my eye with a eyeshadow. This is how I do it. It didn't catch really well because I thought I didn't. I really forgot to shoot clearly because I didn't remember I'm to shooting a video today. That's why. Anyways, this is how it turns out. And yeah, guys, I'm going to speed up this video. From now on, as you can see, I want to add FD clip in it, and so that's the reason why I'm making the speed. I'm increasing the video speed. This is how I do it, and I'll also drawing a IOSL and using the white compact powder to color up the IOSL. That is how I do it. I think I get it. How to do eyeshadow. Anyways, this is how I do it. I applied a little bit of highlighter. I mean, for the Slavic look, they have a white kajal, but I don't have it. Now I am coloring. Refilling my liner before I used a eyeshadow. Right, that's why I am using an eyeliner to fill it or redraw it. So guys, this is how this is our eye look, and yeah, it turns out really good. Next, I am moving to lips. Firstly, I'm using a Vaseline. You can use lip balm or whatever you want, and line. I'm contouring my lips. I really do love this lip look because it's really turned out to be really good. As you may know, as you can see it really well. Now I'm contouring. I'm using a dark brown or light brown. I'm combining with two, and yeah, this is how I'm contouring my lips. Today I'm making so many mistakes because I have throat pain, even though I tried to record the videos. Yes, firstly, I am using a shade Blossom from, I think it's Just Herbs brand. Next, I'm using a lip crayon. I don't know the shade. Now I'm using this is a contour stick. Sorry for that. I want to be, it's more like a nude or that color. That is why I used that. Next, I'm using a nude orange shade, applying on my lips. Next, I'm highlighting my eyes, the eyeshadow. And yeah, guys, next I'm curling my lashes, applying mascara for the contour stick. I have a lipstick in that darkened color, but I forgot where did I put it. That's why I used a contour stick. Anyways, next I am curling, and I already curled. Applying mascaras on both of my eyes. I really do love this eye look today. This is kind of give me a baddie vibe. Anyways, I'm applying mascara upper and lower lashes. Now applying a mix of lipstick. I created this before, and applying retouching my blush and highlighting my face. Okay, this is, I forgot to do the highlighting part. That is why I doing it right now. You can see I applying highlighter cheeks and off the bridge of my nose. And yeah, guys, that's the finished look. I actually really enjoyed creating this makeup look. Let me know what you think, and thank you for watching.